pee-pee or poo-pee?
Can feel the wind coming right through this window.
No wonder this hell is so cold.
You know, it's so bright out here. Jim's helping Riley, Shaughnessy, get his car out. We have about 20 inches of snow here today after the storm of the century. Unbelievable. We didn't come out at all yesterday, only for a short time, because the winds were about 40 miles per hour and it wasn't very enjoyable for anyone to play in the snow. So today we're out and about. Everything just shut down yesterday in the whole area. We were dumped on. The storm worked its way up from the south, from the north this time. Mom and Dad pulled their car down at the end here so that we would have a car down at the end of the driveway. Jersey on Friday, before all this snow hit us, we were going to leave today, Sunday. They're not leaving. They're snowed in. Snowed in till tomorrow anyway. They're going to close a lot of roads. It's going to take them days to get us well out. Unbelievable. Ruben, Ola, working hard, getting their driveway shoveled. Hi, Ola! Too, I'm being blown over. You can hear the tapping on the camera. It's pretty though. Such a pretty house. There's a leprechaun on the door that Michael made. Isn't that cute? All over here in the snow. Untouched snow here on our side yard. So I'll be the first to walk through it. You can see how deep, 20 inches into the ground, my boots are going. It's our yard, big backyard here. My kids have been working on a fort back here under the trees. I'll show you over here. The swing set. There was a snowdrift back here because of the way the wind was blowing in the snow. And they're getting closer to that. How deep that is. It's really deep over here. There's a snowdrift down here. Yeah.
You're recording. Now there are two buttons on the top.
How do I stop it? Still recording.
Okay, press it again.
Recording!
Hi, Nancy.
It's really dark. Wait, let me come up here.
What are the chances of us ever coming down here again during this blizzard? You better get us.
It's really dark.
Get us now.
Hi, Trish. Hi, John. Woo!
You have to hold that. That's a girl. You don't go with that, Sue.
Close up.
You know what? Maybe we should give them their shovel back if we're not going to use it.
Jim and Michael! Oh, baby's crying. I cannot believe all the snow in Virginia. I'm so surprised.
Take it over for you. And you can't believe that Grandmom is out here shoveling this
There's
snow.
Mel, there's Grandma, there's Grandpa.
It is the 13th of March. A very lucky day for all of us.
Where are you?
With the style, working hard. And Grandpop too.
Hello.
Close up of Michael. How's it going, pal? Make a snow angel or something.
Doing a great job, Taylor. Lots of convey.
How long do you want me to do this? We're still recording. Have a little trouble, a little bit cockeyed.
You should get the front of their house.
Okay. Sean, you got on that sled? Here we are, 5418 Goldmore Court. Blizzard of 93. Jim has shoveled the whole walkway so far, pretty much. Here are the neighbors. We don't know exactly what they're building over there, but just met Peter today. There she goes. We had a good time. I couldn't take the camera over there, but they were sledding in this gully. It's pretty deep. There's Drew and Ryan, Pam and Alex, Jason, Sean. There's Michael. We had 2 feet here in Virginia.
Mommy! What's this?
Sean, come on, let's go.